Welcome to AI at Work, a Level 1 certification course for teams ready to use AI responsibly. In this session, we'll review essential principles of responsible AI and show practical ways to make AI a core part of your daily routine, without putting sensitive data at risk, infringing on copyrights, or accepting advice that could cause harm. This course is offered by PeopleRain, the AI-first platform that automates HR and IT employee service. You'll hear from two hosts throughout 5 sections, followed by a short certification step. By completing this course, you'll join a growing global community of human-first AI advocates. Let's dive in.
Section 1, Run to, Not From AI. The mindset shift is simple. Treat every assignment as a chance to co-pilot with AI. Instead of asking, can I do this manually? Ask, which parts should be automated so I can focus on the uniquely human work? Start by listing tasks from a typical week and labeling them with the EAD lens. Eliminate low-value steps, automate repeatable steps, and delegate edge cases to humans or higher context teammates.
Concrete examples help. In HR or IT, AI can draft knowledge articles from ticket histories, summarize meetings, extract action items, propose email responses, create starter project plans, compare policy language, or generate test cases for service changes. In operations, AI can clean data, flag anomalies, and produce daily status briefs. In sales, it can research accounts, tailor outreach, and produce concise call prep.
To prioritize, look for work that is A, rules-based, B, data-heavy, C, tedious, or D, latency-bound, where you're mostly waiting. A quick rule of thumb, if you've done a task the same way 3 times, capture a prompt template and let AI help the 4th time. Keep a personal prompt library. For example, summarize, critique, improve chain that you reuse across documents.
A common fear is that automation replaces people. In reality, responsible teams use AI to elevate people. The goal is to reduce wait times, increase consistency, and free you to do activities that require empathy, judgment, and creativity. 2 guardrails make this safe. Data minimization, share only what's necessary with AI, and human-in-the-loop review for anything public, sensitive, or consequential. You stay the owner of the final work product.
Build momentum with small wins. Pick one daily task like turning support tickets into release notes and standardize the AI prompt. Track impact, minutes saved, errors prevented, satisfaction improved. Share results with your team so new use cases surface organically.
Section 2, Reimagining Work with AI. Many teams report reclaiming 4 to 6 hours a week. What will you do with that dividend? You could reinvest it into customer discovery, mentoring, personal development, or closing gaps that have lingered because nobody had time, like updating knowledge bases or documenting processes.
Think in terms of quality and consistency too. With good prompting, AI will critique a draft against your rubric, check tone, convert voice and style, or produce multiple alternatives so you can choose the best. Add structured prompts to your toolkit. Rewrite, clarify, shorten, or match brand voice. Critique, find risks, biases, omissions. Explain like I'm new, onboard teammates. Compare, contrast, policy versions, tools, vendors. Scenario simulation, what could go wrong, how to mitigate.
Maintain authorship by setting a quality bar up front. For example, target a 300-word executive brief. Plain language, cite data sources, include 1 risk and 1 mitigation. After AI delivers a draft, do a human quality pass, verify facts, remove hallucinations, ensure tone and empathy are right for your audience, and double-check compliance. Privacy, confidentiality, copyright.
To make this routine, build a work-back plan for recurring tasks. Example, for monthly reporting, you might 1, ask AI to assemble metrics from a template, 2, have it propose 3 visualizations, 3, write the narrative with highlights and risks, and 4, generate a short executive summary and a version for the team. Same output every month, less scramble.
Remember, augmentation over automation. The goal is not hands-off, it's hands-on the right things. When you combine human judgment with AI speed, you'll consistently deliver clearer analysis, faster decisions, and better outcomes for your stakeholders.
Section 3, how AI is impacting your field. Every function is being reshaped. Strategy, HR, finance, operations, engineering, service, legal. Rather than guessing, map your value chain and mark where data, documents, or decisions pile up. Those are prime AI leverage points.
Ask 4 future-facing questions. What will be easy next year that's hard today? like first draft creation, multilingual support, or data cleanup? What new expectations will leaders in your field have in 5 to 10 years, like model literacy, prompt design, and AI risk management? Which roles will shift from doing to supervising AI-assisted workflows? Where is human empathy irreplaceable? Coaching, conflict resolution, ethics reviews.
You can start leading now. Teach others. Run a 30-minute brown bag on your best prompts. Teach AI. Label examples, correct outputs, and contribute improvements to knowledge bases or model feedback. Define rules. Help write or improve your AI fair use policy. Evaluate, pilot new tools, measure ROI, time saved, quality uplift, error rates, and document risks and mitigations.
Think about emerging roles you might grow into. AI product owner, prompt engineer, evaluator, data curator, model risk analyst, or change management lead for AI adoption. Start building a skill stack. Domain expertise plus data literacy, prompt design, ethical reasoning, and clear writing. Pair those with tool familiarity, spreadsheet AI functions, retrieval augmented search, vector stores, or low-code automation.
Keep an eye on your industry's policy and compliance landscape. Many sectors are moving towards standards for transparency, source attribution, and data protection. Leaders who can translate policy into practical workflows, like when to keep data on-prem, when to mask PII, and how to document decisions, will be in high demand.
Finally, be explicit about career resilience. If a task is routine and rules-based, assume it will be partially automated. Lean into higher-order work. Prioritization, storytelling with data, influencing stakeholders, and designing processes that put people first.
Section 4, using AI responsibly. AI can reflect and amplify human bias. That's why we assume AI will make mistakes, and we plan for them. Build guardrails into your workflow so missteps are caught early and fixed quickly.
Start with data hygiene. Share only what's necessary. Data minimization. Classify inputs: confidential, internal, public. Remove PII and sensitive attributes unless you have a legal and ethical reason to include them, and a secure environment for processing. Don't paste sensitive records into tools that log prompts externally. Prefer privacy-safe environments and enterprise controls.
Next, copyright and content rights. When asking for summaries or transformations, favor your content or content you're licensed to use. If you need external sources, ask AI to list references and then go to the sources to verify. Avoid republishing verbatim output from unlicensed material. Use AI for analysis, synthesis, and explanation, not as a way to bypass rights.
Build a simple risk review for any AI-assisted output that leaves your team. Accuracy. What claims require verification, and what's the source? Bias. Could this disadvantage a group, and how would we detect and correct it? Safety. Could someone be harmed if this is wrong or misunderstood? Privacy. Are we exposing data we shouldn't? Context. Will this be interpreted as advice? And if yes, is it clearly scoped and reviewed?
Use red team prompts to stress test outputs. List ways this answer could be misleading or unfair. What populations could be negatively impacted? What's missing? Generate a counter argument, then add mitigations, like inserting disclaimers, routing decisions to a human, or removing sensitive attributes from the decision path.
Keep your human in the loop steps explicit. 1. AI drafts. 2. You review and revise. 3. A second person spot checks high-risk items. And 4. You record the decision and the rationale. For repeat workflows, document a short standard, what to include or avoid, how to cite, and where to store. So consistency improves over time.
Remember the intended purpose. AI is here to improve productivity and quality. Don't use it as a therapist or confidant. It doesn't have feelings. Avoid asking for medical, legal, or safety-critical advice unless you're operating within approved, compliant tools. And even then, route to qualified professionals.
Finally, maintain an audit trail for important decisions. Which model or tool you used, what data powered the answer, who reviewed it, and what changed. When mistakes happen, and they will, you'll be able to learn quickly and prevent repeat issues.
Section 5, lab exercises. Think of these as hands-on reps to build confidence.
Lab 1, improve an existing asset. Pick a policy, help center article, or email template. Ask AI to summarize in 150 words. Identify 3 unclear sections. Propose a cleaner version in your brand voice, and flag any risky or ambiguous statements. Implement the best suggestions and note what AI got right versus wrong.
Lab 2, shadow a peer's workflow. Ask a coworker to show you one way they use AI to save time. Capture their prompt, try it on one of your tasks, and document the result. Share a short write-up with the team so others can learn.
Lab 3. Build a prompt library. Create at least 5 reusable prompts. Rewrite for clarity. Create an executive summary with risks and mitigations. Generate test cases from requirements. Draft a customer-friendly status update, and compare 2 versions and list changes. Store these in a shared doc.
Lab 4, responsible use checklist. Take a recent AI-assisted deliverable and run it through a 5-question check. Did I verify critical claims? Did I cite sources? Did I remove sensitive data? Did I check for bias or unfair assumptions? Did I get a second pair of eyes when needed?
Lab 5. Policy and practice. Review your company's AI fair use policy. For one approved application, write a brief what could go wrong note and list mitigations, like routing high-risk cases to humans, adding guardrails in prompts, and maintaining an audit log. If you're proud of your results, share them with the community at Inspired People Reign.io. You might inspire others. Apply for AI at Work certification. To receive your LinkedIn AI at Work Level 1 Leader Certificate of Mastery, complete the 10-question course exam at peoplereign.io/certification. You'll receive your badge with a passing score of 70% or higher. Add it to your profile to signal that you practice responsible human-first AI.
Closing. Work will change more in the next 3 years than it has in the past 300. By partnering with AI, you can become a better teammate, spouse, parent, and friend, because you'll use the hours you save for the human moments that matter. You're off to a great start. Complete the certification, share your labs, and then go lead the way in using AI responsibly at work.